I'm Rozell. I play Rozell. It's a Western Sky and Beverages.
Hi guys, welcome back to Rozell's toy review. He says welcome back to his channel. And Mino's over there. Say hi, Mino. He's tired. Wants to show you guys his new toys he got today. Right, Roro? Can you tell them? Talk about your toys.
Boom! On this truck stays.
You got sand and what else? Constructing equipment and some stuff over here. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, leave those comments down below, and turn that post notification on to know that we upload videos every single day. It's your girl, Everything About Jazzy, Roro, and Mino. Mino, it's not a bathroom thing. The sand is not a bathroom. Get down. Get down, Papa. Roro, can you tell them about?
My name is Rozell. Welcome to channel. Back to Senator Waters. Back to boom. 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 Oh, do it again. Can you do it again? I messed up it. Boom! 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 With this power. It's looking the body loves it.
Yeah, it's me. Yeah, Mino's looking. He's trying to
Mina's looking the ball.
Yeah, he's trying to bathe himself. He's trying to get himself clean. Mino. Mino.
Yeah, Mino tastes that.
Yeah, he's just trying to get himself clean. That's why he's licking himself. He's just trying to keep himself clean. That's all the cats do. They lick themselves to keep them clean. Really, Mino? Mino. Can you show them the stand? Can you show them your work? Can you talk about how you're doing and what you're doing and what you're creating? Good job, Roro. Good job.
Sit on the bridge. Huh? I can't poke it. It's too flat. I can fix it a lot.
Oh no, what happened, Roro? What happened to it?
Oh no, it's not quite right.
It's not going right. Do you want to color your book after this? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. Nino. Someone has a birthday next week. Are you ready to be 4 years old?
What is
Happy birthday to Rozell. Happy birthday to Rozell. Happy birthday to Rozell. Happy birthday to Rozell. Yay!
Zombie.
Mm-hmm.
Look at Zombie. She's baby. It's you today, baby.
Oh, I'm a baby. Wee. Wee. Oh no. Look. Baby dropped on the floor. Wee.
He's got a boo-boo. He's got a boo-boo. He's got a boo-boo. Whoa! Oh, can we do that again? There.
Say bye-bye. That's all for today. See you next time on the next video of Rozell Toys Reviews. Say Roro. Say Roro.
Hello.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you next time. See you next time. Roro. Say see you next time.
See you next time.
On Rozell's Toy Review. Say Roro's Toy Review. All right. See you guys. Bye.